all you guys in the UK thinking you've got it really, really bad with the rain today, just check this out. Yeah, this is what you call rain, okay? Not your typical British summertime, but this is yeah. It's kind of floods here pretty quick, like every day. So when you're thinking, oh no, it's raining cats and dogs here, I wish it'd stop. This is like rainy season here in the tropics, and look at this. This is just normal. You don't even bother putting a coat on anymore. So I'm going to try and get a taxi home, not a bike taxi. God, it really is pissing down today. Fucking hell, don't need me sunglasses. Shit. I think I might have to get the bus. Yes, we do have buses here in Bangkok. It's not all tuk-tuks. Right, speak to you later.